Okay, we're getting back at this thing here. So we got our new tray came in full of snap rings.
Slowly, every day we buy 3 or 4 things new.
Get more junk.
Every day.
Got no pliers yet.
We go until we run into a problem. Like, okay, hurry up, order it. Here we go.
There's no pliers yet though. So we're not going to touch that one in the training unless we have pliers. So.
What's our situation? Tatro Roadshow in Las Vegas is coming to an end, unfortunately.
Yes.
We are down to about 10 hours.
That's right.
Ish.
Unless we don't sleep, then we got 13. Okay, so this is our pivot pin. It's a 5/16. You got a 5/16?
Can we go?
And don't dump them all on the floor.
All right.
I'm going to take the back. Why don't you open the front end? Oh, you figured it out.
There we go.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Nice. Great.
Nico
did that. Great.
Thanks, Nico.
These
All right, what are we looking for?
We're looking for good stuff. I don't think we have it here, though. That is not a 1/2 inch. I think this is like 7/16, 3/8. No.
Definitely not him.
You bought only the best, I can tell.
Is that sarcasm?
Yes.
That smells sarcasm.
Something else you're going to be smelling. Fred's coming by to help. That's too big.
It feels like it's too big. It just goes on too easy.
Yes, that's because it's too big. Might fall off. What's your smallest plier we own today?
Need to fall off.
We're still hurting on pliers.
Yeah. We still can't find any cheapies. So we should be 3/8.
Yeah, that's pretty small.
Okay.
3/8 is the number. Could always measure it. Could always measure it.
I got the other one in here too.
I didn't see it in there, but I wasn't looking very hard either. Okay, we got
Oh. I threw it away when I knew we had new ones. That's
threw away the old one too, huh? Good.
Not until this morning.
3/8/7 would be called 3/8. Is that the 3/8 package?
Yes, sir.
You admit that it's in the wrong spot.
Wrong square.
You might as well just dump them all out in the container because the bag's going to fall
Don't
apart.
tell me what to do.
Someone has to do it. With your safety glasses.
Oh, yeah.
Sharp side out.
Oh, yeah.
And the pin goes on the bike first before
That's
you put
the
it on.
sharp side there for sure. Okay. So we want that down.
Did you put lube in the cable? I think we lubed the
Yep,
cable.
we lubed her yesterday.
We lubed in the cable.
Lubed her up.
And you got the new plastic bushing pin?
I do.
Not bushing, but pin.
I do. Got one right here. Brand new one from Harley Davidson.
Yeah, you're gonna have some lubricant for the pin, or we're just gonna let the bushing be raw. I usually put a little oil on these or grease.
Okay.
Even though it has a plastic bushing, I like lubricant. That way it gives the dirt something to stick to.
Does he do, like, what kind of lube? Like CRC or like,
You get a little STP racing lube that you got in that. You use that grease gun, it's got that tacky junk from Lucas in there, it should be good stuff. Where's that grease gun at? Does that work? This is grease on demand.
brand spanking new?
Did we use it yet?
We have not.
We didn't put it up here and use it yet?
Nope.
Don't squirt that at me.
Why are you jumping away? Why did it come over here? Oh, did I turn this yet?
Well, when in that time. There you go. Yeah, we paid like $10 for that thing. Oh, jeez. You're wasting the grease.
The grease.
You're supposed to be pumping it in the bike, remember? What you pumping in the bike over there where you're working at?
Find it.
You're gonna pump it up in the bike here? Pretend you lubricated your bearings? Pretend you adjusted them?
Yeah.
Which we know we didn't.
We know we didn't. That is for sure.
You lost your rag.
I need to rag right away. Right out the gate.
You used up all the dirty rags already. Hey, don't.
Taking it apart.
You're already bleeding from touching that once. There's your rag right over there. Nice dirty
Oh yeah,
one.
very nice. Okay.
What are you doing now?
Pump it full.
Does it fit? Is there any drag on that? Nothing's coming out yet. You can put the whole can in the frame. You know, this is a big frame. It's got a lot of area in it. Does it even do anything?
I don't know.
Well, does it feel like there's pressure?
Yeah?
Okay. Well, once you quit putting 5 pounds, you only got a 1 pound container there. Not even that, probably only ounces. Won't come off. It's permanently installed. Just leave it there. You can grease it every half mile. You give it a squirt. Just leave it there.
Oh, fill this bitch up, huh?
I think
See it squirting?
No, nothing coming out yet. We don't even know if it's working. That's the problem.
It sure feels like it's pumping.
Ain't nothing coming out.
What's this thing right here? Is this some sort of adjustment?
I have no idea.
Doesn't quite seem right, does it? I feel like I might have almost emptied this thing just now.
I think you did. The drag yet?
Oh, you see it even coming out anyway?
Nope. £10 of grease going somewhere. Must have been dry. Yeah. Ain't nothing coming out
It's
anywhere.
empty. Yeah.
You just put a whole
Just stuck
container.
the whole thing in there?
You just did. It didn't do
Yeah,
anything.
she's empty now.
It didn't do anything.
Do it again?
I don't know. You got 3 bottles, but I don't know how much you want to put in there. Where'd you hang that, you drunk? Where'd you put it? I thought you put it over here somewhere.
Right here.
Okay. Where? How big is that? Those aren't very big containers. Were they 8 ounces? Even that?
3 ounces.
3 ounces. No wonder it went through so quick. You don't get a lot for $10 anymore, do you?
Well, when you buy the puties.
That would still be $60 to
Hey,
drive
but
it.
look, it's kind of so you can buy this as a matching set on Amazon. I bet. This this big vise.
Device and the gun. Oh, there you go.
Like a matching micro set.
There you go.
Well, what do we do?
I have no idea.
We stick another in there or not?
That's up to you. It's your grease. I don't think it's helping us by filling that thing up full of grease. So let's get back on track to doing
All right, let's
something
get
real
back to serious stuff.
Yeah, we need some grease on this. Oh, you got some grease on that.
Right there.
You did until I touched it. So go ahead and hook this thing up like you know what you're doing.
We all know better than that, don't we?
All right.
We all know better than that. Okay.
Cable came through or it fall out? Looks like it fell out.
Ready to put that new bushing in.
Where'd the clutch cable go?
Clutch cable is
Oh, there it is. Yeah, it came out
right
the
in
end.
here. Okay. Something like this, something like this.
You know how to do that?
Something like that. Up and down, hotel. Okay, we still have a hold of that. Like that.
Almost lost it. Good thing you had grease in your fingers. You caught it.
Teacher,
Mhm.
put your safety glasses on, like this.
I don't have them. They went away.
I got them on, I'm good.
Good. Be happy I got my boots on.
Oh, okay.
Trying to get away again. Did you screw it up yet? Did you break it?
Right away.
Did you break it?
No, we didn't break it.
You mean those things aren't heat treated?
They don't feel very hard, I can tell you that.
Hey, these are made by that China company again.
It's a pretty big company. We've bought a
solid.
lot of stuff from it lately.
Yeah, it's all that good stuff comes from there.
We don't have any, like, frequent flyer programs we can sign up for. Who can we call?
I don't know. There's definitely quality pieces here.
Oh, yes.
What are you trying to do? Glue it back together over there? What'd you do? Tweak it?
Oh, she might be gone forever!
Well, that'll give us one next time we need one. We'll look on the floor. There'll be like 5 of them down there.
See this?
What?
That's when I went to Mexico on my FXRT.
Oh,
Yep. Put a sticker on it.
got another one on the floor. Did you overextend it? Did that not spring back after you did that? Where'd you learn how to modify those like that?
Yeah. I can't tell you.
Secret.
Tell you he lives in San Diego, I can tell you that.
Oh.
Up and down. Oh, we can just do it anywhere.
Yeah, if it takes a half hour to do that, another 2
Yeah,
hours
God,
to do this,
how far are we gonna get? Half hour later.
I ain't gonna get no work done around here.
Oh, shit.
Better hurry up.
I don't know if I can see anything. These old eyes can't see shit underneath here.
Good, just put the clip on, don't worry about looking at it.
Alright. That's what's gonna happen. It's gonna happen.
You want light on over here? You know, the lights are off around here. Have you thought about turning the light on?
Nice.
Oh, jeez, imagine that. Put lights in a place, just don't even turn them on. It's a good thing. All right, what are you planning on doing? I'll get to work done over here.
Alright, thank you. At least somebody's doing something.
Pull my Peter some along, I get tired. Yeah, the O-ring didn't fall off yet. You're worried about that. Hardest part of this job is putting this on. What angle is that at? Appears to be straight.
Okay. You want to slide on? Want to start?
They're a pain in the ass to do. You got a 5/16 fine bolt floating around?
You mean like this one? For our kicker? Or mirror?
It'll work for now. Oh, that's got a weird angle. No wonder you can't figure out why it won't start. Okay, so that's got to be tilted at an angle like that. No, not like this. Wonderful.
Marvelous.
nothing square. These are hard to do.
We should have done teacher.
Get over, you can see the end of it would help.
Yeah.
Not even close. Shoot some light right here so I can see better.
Right here.
Could be down at this angle, we can see that. Trying to see what square it is. No reference to anything. It's trying to start right there, but then it doesn't go. Does not want to start. Pull that. You can see the damn thing. Okay, right there it's binding. It's trying to start right there.
Looks like a good angle.
But it won't go.
You want me to get my tap out? Yeah, they're all boogered up.
You can feel it trying to start in a hole, but it just won't go in. There's a big burn in the damn thing or something.
We say 5/6 here.
It's not the cover, it's the table. For the dog.